What's poppin', YouTube? We back in again for another video, son. So this is literally about to be the most shortest sweet episode that I've probably ever done. So this is kind of gonna correlate into the last video that we had done, which was the Sims 4 pizza. Bro, that pizza was so freaking good, bro. Like, I swear too, that pizza was so good, bro. And also too, just in case like y'all had some extra pizzas and stuff, that's what this pretty much is about. Just in case y'all want to make one, you know what I'm saying, or y'all that's had a whole bunch, however y'all did it, you know what I'm saying. Me, I only had like a couple like doughs left because I like my pizza kind of, when I make my homemade pizzas, I like it kind of thick a little bit, you know what I'm saying. And so also too, I also had some leftover like onions, still some leftover peppers that day, and also plenty of chicken. And as y'all saw, we had like a big load of sauce, you feel me? So what I did with that is I turned it into some pasta. So if y'all want to see something like that too, just let me know in the comments and I'll show y'all. What we making, man, we're making some freaking cheese bread, bro. We're making some freaking cheese bread, son. So I hope y'all ready to see this, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm ready to try it. So let me tell you what we need. But before we get started, bro, y'all already, what y'all know what y'all need. I'm messing up. So this is gonna play my shit. Man, let's go ahead and get started, you know what I'm saying? So first thing you want to do is, bro, you want to go ahead and pull out the remaining of your dough, right? So it had about a couple of days that's to really chill and proof up, you know what I'm saying? So what you want to do is, again, throw down a little bit of flour at your surface, you know what I'm saying? And then of course get your hands all nice and floury though, you feel me? So pretty much is you just want to throw your dough down and you want to kind of form it up in kind of like a rectangle, you know what I'm saying? You just kind of just spread it out, you know what I'm saying, all evenly, you know what I mean? And so once you get done doing that, that's when you're going to get a pan and spray it down, you know what I'm saying? That's when you're going to add some garlic, 2 layers of cheese, which is mozzarella and cheddar, and also some ranch seasoning, you know what I'm saying? This is what it should look like, you know? But you can also add a whole bunch of other stuff like crushed red peppers, Italian seasoning, whatever, you know? I'll be a little careful because you don't want that to battle with the garlic, you know? So go ahead and throw in the oven for about 375 for 15-20 minutes. So this would look like right here, bro. That joint looking amazing as always, bro. We never disappoint, bro. Let's focus on this baby for a second. Never disappoint, bro. Never disappoint. And so, I also got some store-bought marinara. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and see what it tastes like. Let me try it without it. Gonna get this. Let's see that. We got a cheese pool. We got a cheese pool, bro. All right, let's get it, bro. So. Bro. Oh, that's really good. Let me try the marinara. Oh my God. Oh my God. Literally amazing, dog. Like, oh my God. Hold up, bro. Hold up, bro. Bro, this joint is good, bro. Like, the dough is like super, oh my God. The dough is so like moist and flavorful, boy. Especially since it's been like sitting in there for like a few days, so I got a really chance to like proof up and stuff. But like, bro, this is amazing. And then like the ranch seasoning, bro. Like I thought I had Italian seasons, but I really didn't. So I just used like ranch seasons, but that ranch season is amazing, dog. Yeah, honestly. Honestly, you're gonna need marinara for it, but it's a good like option to have. But bro, this is like, oh my God, amazing. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm trying to eat this, bro, because this joint is literally smacking. So, and also too, before I leave y'all, I have to say, not to toot my own horn, bro, but this is way better than any little pizza joint that you could get. You know what I'm saying? So this would be a great thing to do if y'all want to have like a pizza night. You know what I'm saying? You can make the chicken masala pizza. You know what I'm saying? And then you can make some freaking cheese bread with it too, bro. So it's like, y'all definitely gonna have to try to make this. Just like how I said, y'all definitely gonna have to try that pizza. So, oh my God. So that's another episode of Dawn Entree, man. Go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You can check the next video. So I'll see y'all to the very next episode. Bye.